Good evening. Today I'm going to be demonstrating manual muscle testing, and we're going to start with forearm supination. I'm going to have my client to have his arm in a 90-degree flex angle, and I'm going to place one hand on the distal end of his humerus and the other hand on the dorsal aspect of his forearm. I'm going to try to turn his arm over, and I want you to resist the movement. Go ahead. Okay, that muscle grade, I will grade a 5 out of 5. We're going to turn the forearm down to the pronated position, and I'm going to have one hand again at the distal end of the humerus, proximal to the elbow, and then I'm going to place the other hand on the dorsal side of the forearm, as you can see. I'm going to apply pressure in the opposite direction, and I want you to resist that as well. Okay, good job. He's a pretty strong guy. I'll give him a grade of 5 out of 5. Next, we're going to hold the elbow at 90 degrees again. I'm going to turn his arm and hands palm facing up with his wrist flexed. And then I'm going to hold one of my hands on the lower part of the forearm and the other on the lower aspect of the palm, and I'm going to push down and have you to resist. Great. We're going to grade that a 5 out of 5 as well. Last is the wrist extensions. I'm going to turn his arm down, and I'm going to extend his wrist up. I'm going to place my one hand on the aspect of the wrist and the other hand on the distal dorsal part of the metacarpal. And then I'm going to apply pressure, and I want you to resist. And as you can see, once again, I'll give him a grade of 5 out of 5. Thank you.